Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Ramisa. I read in class 5. Good morning, respected teachers and fellow students. Today, I want to talk to you all about how to choose a career in life. Number 1. Identify your interests. Start by making a list of things you enjoy doing and find interesting. This could include hobbies, activities, or subjects that you excel in or feel passionate about. Number 2. Assess your skills. Determine your strengths and weaknesses and identify areas where you excel. Consider what skills you have already developed and what skills you would like to develop. Number 3. Research career options. Look for careers that align with your interests and skills. Research job description, education requirements, and potential earnings. Number 4. Gain experience. Consider internships, volunteering, or part-time jobs to gain hands-on experience in fields that interest you. Number 5. Make a decision. After considering all of the above factors, make a decision on which career path to pursue. Remember that it's okay to change direction if you find that your chosen career path isn't that right fit for you. Thank you very much and have a good day.